So today I'm going to be making tandoori chicken. So to make tandoori chicken we need the following masala. So here we have 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and we have 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and we have 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Here's the tandoori chicken that I've marinated last night out of the fridge today. I'm going to put it in the oven right now. So this is ready to go in the oven. I'm going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. I'll cover it with a foil to start off with, and then later take it off at the end. just turned the chicken around and I've put some onion. I really like onion, so just put the onion around. Hopefully that will get roasted as well. It tastes really nice. I'm going to put it back in the oven for a further 10 minutes just so the top is all nice and crispy. I also made this mint sauce which complements tandoori chicken really well. It's really nice. If you'd like to know how to make it, please comment down below. So here's the tandoori chicken, cooked and ready to be served. It just looks absolutely amazing, and the aroma is just so lovely. And I've just picked up the coriander from my garden. The aroma of the coriander is so nice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you next time.